Hello guys, today we'll be talking about combustion of alkanes. And combustion of organic compounds or hydrocarbons such as alkanes refers to the burning of that hydrocarbon in excess oxygen. So if you burn that hydrocarbon, assuming it's an alkane, and you burn it in excess oxygen, then that is combustion. And combustion results in the formation of carbon dioxide and water. So those are the main products of combustion. So when you combust any organic compound, the main products are carbon dioxide and water. Because today our main focus is on alkanes, now I think we can give different examples of alkanes. So we can have methane, which is CH4. We have ethane, which is C2H6. We have propane, which is C3H8, and so on. So these are some alkanes that we will be using to combust and see how the reaction will be and how it will be balanced. So assuming you have an hydrocarbon, which is CH4, that's a methane plus oxygen. Then straight away you write your products, which is carbon dioxide plus water. Now it's left on to you to balance it. So in order to balance it, you count the number of hydrogens at the reactant side and the hydrogens at the product side. So mostly your main focus should be on the reactant side, because if you check and here is 4, then how many moles will you add it so that it will also make it 4? So we have to put 2 here. So when you put 2 here, then we now get 4 hydrogens, then the hydrogens are balanced. Now with the carbons, looking at here, there is only 1 carbon, here to only 1 carbon, so we don't have any problem. Now it's left with the oxygens. Oxygens are the product side. We have 2 moles of oxygen here, plus here to give you 2 moles, so therefore it gives you 4 moles of oxygen. So therefore you have to put 2 moles in order to make it also 4. So this reaction that we have written here is simply the combustion of methane. So if you are asked to write the combustion of methane, this is how it will show, or this is how you do it. Let's take the next example, and you can work any other alkane with this idea. Now let's take butane, C4H10 plus some moles of oxygen gas, giving you, I said always you write your product as carbon dioxide and water, because you know that their main products will be carbon dioxide and water. Now here you have 4 carbons, here you have only 1 carbon, so you have to put 4 here in order to balance the carbons. Now with the hydrogens, here there are 10 hydrogens, but here there are 2. So what do? You have to multiply here by 5. That's putting 5 moles here, which will give you 10 moles. The focus shouldn't be on the oxygen now. You have to balance the carbon and the hydrogen first. After then, you now balance the oxygen. So now we are now left on the oxygen. So the oxygen, we count the oxygens here. The molecules here, we have 8 oxygen here, and here we have 5 oxygen here. So with that, we now add, we get 13 oxygens. So we have 13 over 2 moles of oxygen, because these two cancel this to give you 13 moles. So we are left with 13 moles of oxygen. So this is simply the combustion of these alkanes. You can try more and more, and it's the same understanding that you use to apply. You balance your carbons and your hydrogen first. After that, you now balance your oxygens. This is simply how they are combusted. And you should remember, please, the main products are carbon dioxide and water. Okay, next time, subscribe to this channel, and please like it and view it all, and turn on the notification button so that when I release a new one, you'll be able to stream it live and watch, and we all learn together. Thank you very much for your attention.